So welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to be opening a package I received from It's India. Her shop is oBlimeySlimey. This took a long time to get here. We're doing a swap, but apparently the package was open, so Royal Mail had to reseal it. So we agreed to just send each other some slimes and do a video and review each other's slimes. So she's already loaded hers, I'll put the link to it below. So in here we've got a really cute note, thank you. Oh look, loads of sweets. And oh dear, okay, there's some spillage going on in here, but at least it's in a bag. Another 2-ounce slime. And loads of sweets and an 8-ounce cloud slime. And another cloud slime, wow, look at those colours. And some glittery stars. So that's loads, thank you. So first up we've got a whole ton of sweets, thank you so much India. Look at that, loads. And my dog's running around in the background. So let's see if she says what these slimes are in her note. So here it is, and it says, "Dear Emily, thank you for doing the swap. I have included Neapolitan cloud, watermelon icy, lemon sorbet. I hope you enjoy. Thanks, India, oBlimeySlimey." And a really cute smiley face on the front of that, so thanks for that. So I'll open this and try and rescue what I can of this purple slime, and things could get a bit messy. So first up I notice it comes with this really cute shiny little peach charm. And another nice looking slime, but the purple slime's not at all sticky, so it's quite easy to get this off. And looks like there's another charm here, and some love hearts which have turned to mush. Never mind. And inside the slime, it's not a charm, see if you can guess what it is. But I do manage to get quite a bit of slime out of this bag, so that's good. So there's a really cute watermelon charm, and another charm, a sweet one, that's really cute. And what is this? Yes, if you haven't guessed it already, it's a lolly. Well, it's the right colour, isn't it? Oh well, it doesn't matter. So this slime is a little bit on the tough side, but you know, that's a blessing. I'm not going to complain, because if it had been sticky and runny it would have been a nightmare. But it doesn't really have scent. It does smell nice, but I can't quite place the scent. It smells like a nice soap, I guess. But this slime does have really nice poke and click. So on to the next slime. Oh, this looks really good. This is super glossy and it's not sticky at all. This looks like a really good slime. And doesn't really have a particular scent, although it does smell nice, like a really nice soap. So I'm not sure if she's put a scent in this or not. But it's a really glossy slime. Look at that, it's really shiny and it's got good poke and click. So next up we have, I do believe it's a lemon sorbet, and it's a cloud slime. Really nice colour, and this is well sealed and no spillage. So I've just realised I've got grubby hands because I've been making slime. But no scent to this one really. That's a shame because I think perhaps lemonade or lemon meringue or something would go really well with this lemony scent. But anyway, this looks really nice. It looks like it's got good drizzle. Yes, this is lovely and smooth. It's super soft. It's got a nice sort of drizzle effect to it. So yeah, really nice slime, this one. I might add some lemonade scent to it later. So next up we have the Neapolitan, and I'm looking forward to this because I love two-toned, or in this case three-toned slimes. Really nice colours and sprinkles too. And I'm wondering if this has a scent. So no, this doesn't have a scent to it. No, which is a shame, but still it looks really good. And nice colours. This is a little bit stiffer than the lemon sorbet slime, but I love the way the colours are marbling. It's really nice. So I might add some lotion to this to soften it up a bit because the weather is quite warm, so maybe it has dried out slightly. And another factor that can make slimes, particularly cloud slimes, stiffer is lots of pigment or acrylic ink. That often stiffens it up as well. So I'll work in some hand lotion to this. So I'll definitely add some more lotion to this a bit later, but it's made a really nice chocolatey colour. There is a fair bit of fallout with it, but that's because it's dried up a bit, so I'll work on that later. So finally on to the watermelon and another cloud slime. So I've been really treated to some cloud slimes here. And it doesn't really have a scent, which surprises me. I would have thought she'd put some watermelon scent in there. But that doesn't matter. It's nice colour, and it's got these really cute little black foam beads in there just to make it look just like a watermelon. And it does remind me of the sort of texture you get in a watermelon. Those big green and yellow ones that have lovely pink flesh inside with all the seeds. So it really does resemble that. But again, this is a bit on the stiff side. It must be the warm weather and maybe pigment as well. So I will definitely be adding some lotion to this one to soften it up a bit later on. But yeah, nicely done. Like the colour, and I love the little black beads. So out of all these slimes, I really like the lemon sorbet, and this blue glossy slime is my favourite by far. It's a really good slime. So that's a great package. I loved all the little extras. Shame about it leaking, but that can't be helped. It's just one of those things. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!